to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. January 22nd, 2009. What a day. What a day. What a doggone day. Well, I may have called for the reversal, but if you remember, I was calling for triple roll, people. We came in sharply. I didn't think we were going to come in that much. Holy crap. Sterling yen got as low as 121. I was about to throw up. Sterling dollar, 136.80. I was about to throw up. I mean, boy, talk about a retest. Talk about a double bottom retest, refund. Oh, my goodness. That's it. I think now we should have maybe another pullback tonight. But again, my bias is the same. Bullish. That was capitulation yesterday in the carry trade. It's over. The selling pressure's there, but I think it should be lighter on the way up. Stock market made a nice little comeback today. Stock market made a decent comeback today. Big time, huh? Down 105 was down over 270. Double bottom. Looking like a double bottom from yesterday, I believe Tuesday's lows in the stock market. Oil came back also after collapsing with crude inventories melting. Demand destruction continues. And you're looking at the euro-dollar hourly chart. Well, listen, obviously, we got a little contango here. Because I see a wedge, not a perfect wedge, but I see better wedges on other charts. But a nice little wedge. So you can maybe make a case like that. But, okay, so maybe we get up to here, 130.50. Again, I just think something's coming. We've been going relentlessly lower since 147. Relentlessly. And when you look at your channel line, if this euro does break out, we're going to 131, baby. I'm sorry, 131.50 right now. That would be. So to me, again, as long as this euro doesn't break through 129 today, low, I'm buying it. But buy the pullbacks, people. Don't chase. Chasing, trading is the root of all evil. If you know me, you know I don't chase anything. Maybe it's a problem. Sometimes I should chase. Let it come to you. Never let him see you sweat. Never let emotion take over your trades. So, looking at dollar yen. Dollar yen looking very interesting to me on the upside. Again, nice little channel up, hourly chart. As long as 88 holds, really, I guess I would say even 88.25. My bias is still to the upside. I think it made a nice comeback today. One of the things I spoke about on my radio, Global FX Radio, hopefully I'm right. I'm pretty sure I'm right. Look at where we retraced to. I know we pierced through it, okay, just about. But we pretty much held the 61.8. We'll look at the euro yen, how the euro yen held the golden retracement to perfection. So pretty much we held. Sweat bullets, but we held. And now I think it marches higher. Let the beat go on. 89.50, easy, I could see. Big resistance there, though. Sterling dollar. Look at that. Hammer. Boom. Bullish engulfing. Rolled over. Hammer. I know doji, but hammer, doji, hammer. Bullish engulfing. Bang. Now we're dribbling. I call this the dribble. Now, let's me take out this 138. I am expecting cable to at least get up to 140.50. Let me put this thing. I guess 140. Yeah, 140. 140.10. Looks like it needs to get here. But again, look at the downtrend channel line. It's now busted. It's breaking lower. It's breaking out, really, just about. So if cable can hold this channel line break, it's flagging to the upside. Look how oversold this is. Again, I don't need stochastics to tell me how over freaking sold this is. I mean, this is as oversold as she gets. Again, Fibonacci on a Fibonacci basis on a bounce. Where can this bounce to? Rubber band bounce? Well, let's do it from just from this one, just from the break. From 149, that big top. The first line is 141.20. Golden is 144.30. So Sterling dollar to me has a long way to go if it can just get through and hold. But obviously, numbers coming out tonight can be very important. Do I think the numbers are going to be good? I mean, listen, I think that I don't think it really makes a difference on the numbers. You know what? I think I forgot to do the numbers on my radio show, so I guess I may as well do them. I did recap on the numbers. I didn't talk about the numbers coming out tonight. I mean, listen, the manufacturing numbers out of Germany are going to be terrible, even though the zoo is better. London GDP, you know that's going to be collapsing. Retail sales, that's going to be an abomination. So maybe we retest again. I don't know. But I think that, again, the bottom's in. I think you buy the pullback in cable on that news. I think that will probably be, maybe they're going to put cable away. Maybe we're going to collapse through 136.20. I don't think so. And then CPI out of Canada. Listen, Euro Canada, great trade on that today. Anyway, hourly chart, cable dollar. It's broken higher. And again, look at the wedge too. Look at the wedge. So we can pull back all the way down to 137.20. And cable would still be along. That's probably what the scenario that's going to happen. That's probably going to be the scenario. We're going to see cable pull back down to that channel line. And then probably from there. Euro yen. Let's do that Fibonacci I was talking about. Look at where it held. Right at the 61% retracement. So from the bottom to the top, filled in the gap pretty much. 61%. Now we go higher. Over 117, and Euro yen is going to look marvelous. Simply marvelous. Over 116.50. And look, big resistance there. So, you know, short-term trading target on Euro yen for me is 116.50. Then it probably rolls over. But that's where you got to keep your money locked for the what if I'm wrong and it's going to go higher. You know, sterling yen. And again, the reason why I'm doing the hourlies, people, is because you know my opinion on the daily. Just look at the dailies yourself. Those dailies are tweezer bottoms or close to them. They're not perfect, but you know, tried to make retest the lows, couldn't, made another comeback. That's good news. That's a bullish indicator. So that means my bias is up. Now I go to the hourly, 15 and the 5, and we look at them there. Hourly chart, sterling yen. Big resistance also. I see. And that did a bigger fib because euro sterling was exploding at the time. But another one where, you know, it held this line, we held here, we're wedging even, stay wedged. Maybe we pull back to 122. Maybe 122 on a pullback. Or maybe go up to 124.20 on a nice little break higher. Something like that. I could see that. That's kind of a more scenario. But we get through 124 to the moon, Alice. TTMA, I love to say. TTMA. But again, you know, nothing might happen in Asia and Europe now. We might get our pullbacks we're looking for, and then we explode. Triple pullback, right? And then on the London numbers, you know, we bottom out. Well, let me tell you, if the pound across the board is strong, and you don't understand why it's strong, then it's telling you what it's going to do after the market moving event with GDP and retail sales coming out. So watch yourself. Don't chase that move. If you're short the pound, cover on that news, and I think it's the spot to get long. Now, if the pound is for some reason very strong into the number and it doesn't make sense, then you got to buy it no matter what. Close your eyes right after and buy it. Maybe the numbers will be better. Wouldn't that be a shocker? Remember, you can email me any questions you have about my premium service. Remember, last month for premium, for the not the last month, for the last month of the 3-month deal, and I'll be gone at the end of this month. You do 1-week trial, then cancel and re-up for the 3-month deal. info@globalfxradio.com. Our room was full today for the first time ever. I got to increase the size. I'm sorry for those of you that were locked out today. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio YouTube, the only voice you will ever need in Forex that makes you money. Oh, baby, triple roll. Who's your daddy?